Pretty tight, okay? There you go. You're gonna take a nice and long deep breath in. Keep it going all the way up. I'm gonna kind of pull you to a nice little stretch here. Deep breath in again, all the way out. There you go. I heard that open up. That was quite loud. How far did you feel it going down?
From my whole body.
Your whole body?
I can't explain it. Ooh.
Wow, look at that. You got good kickstand too.
Ooh.
That was great.
Ooh.
Did you feel their neck open up?
Yeah.
Good.
Everywhere. Now, yeah. Before, when I used to exhale and let my back sit on couch or on the bed, I feel like somebody's pinching me.
Yeah.
Now it's way less.
Yeah. Good.